Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you have been here before, and if you're new, my channel is all about diamond painting, unboxings, working on, reviewing, but I also do crochet and yarn videos as well as book hauls, book discussion, all those kinds of things. So there's plenty here for people to peck around and find some videos that they enjoy. So I hope you find something that you like and come back and see more videos. All right, today we have some diamond paintings from Diamond Art Decor, formerly DIY Choose. So let's get into it and we'll show you what we have. Let's start with the small box. I know what's in this small box and I'm happy that it's in a small box. Any guesses? See the size of the box? Any guesses what's in it? I bet you can guess. I'm happy it's in a box. Let me just say that. Okay, let's get it out. Finally, we have our May hanging gnome piece. I love it. May is so pretty. Wish I would have had it for May with all those flowers and everything. It's so pretty. There's a film on this, so it looks kind of cloudy. You got to take off the film. But how pretty is that? It's supposed to have holes right here, but the plastic hasn't come out of the little holes here. Just see, it's in there. It will come out. I gotta have something to push it with. I don't have anything to push it with right now. Hang on, I do. Just grab a pen or something. Here we go. Let's see. Poke it out. There it goes. It's gone. And then we have our holes, okay? Put our chain through to hang it. I love it. And being in a box, nothing is broken. That's why I'm happy they're in a box. They were just coming in a little, mailer, a little plastic mailer, and they were getting broke. I had several of them that were broken. So here's our chain to hang it from. Love it. Okay, let's look at our drills. I think it's so cute. I think I need one more to complete my collection. Then I'll have all of them. I have a china cabinet in my living room that houses all of my precious moments, and I hang them on there every month. So I'm happy to have the whole collection. Change them out every month. All right. Whoops. Hello. Come on. Our rhinestone action. Well, let's start with some white pearls. White pearls. Beautiful, beautiful pink. Love that. That's like a light tangerine color and an orange. Clear, another pink, a yellow. Then we have some like champagne colored teardrops. We have, love those, red AB teardrops. Look at all the colors those are picking up. I love the AB coating on these. Ooh, pretty. Purple teardrops. Oh, look, we have some flowers, like a few big flowers. I love it. Oh, cool. I hope there's enough. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I got enough. I got 5. Ooh, I got 5. Then we have some like peachy faceted rounds. And look, we have other peachy faceted rounds, but these are a little bit larger and they have the iridescent coating on them. Okay, all right. I love it. Super cute, super cute. I need to get caught up and get all of them finished, so I have the whole year's worth ready to go. I do have my July. I have my July. No, I have June up right now. I don't have July finished. I got to get busy. I got to do July. All right. Let's look at a diamond painting. Let's look at this one. It's so pretty. Look at it's just this pretty star. I'm going to zoom you in. I'm like super far away. I've been messing with my camera holder all day here, and I just don't like how it's situated. But look at all the special drills on this thing. There are a ton. Are H special drills or regular drills? I don't know. They look kind of large, the H's do. I don't know. I'm thinking they're rhinestones. Maybe they're not. I don't know. But look at all the J's. M is definitely larger. N, the O, the J. There's a bunch of special drills. And all of the printing in the background, the whole thing is printed with a beautiful pattern. And then you put the special drills on just selected parts. I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Love the little tassel here that's hanging down, the flowers. It's got 10 different drills. It's got a lot of special drills. let's see what we get. Let's get into them. Some real pretty stuff in here. Okay, tons of special drills, you guys. Wow. Okay, let's start with clear rhinestones. Yellow. Is that the same color? Yep, same color. Oh yeah, a lot of gold. It's going to be all that gold outlining. Pink rhinestones and blue. That's it for the rhinestones. That's it. The rest are special drills. So we got pink faceted marquees. We have pink, like, what's the color? What am I trying to say for these? They're cloudy. I don't know. Pearly looking. We have 2 big bags of white pearls. Love that. We have some small pearls, and we have blue pearls. See, I told you, tons of special drills in this. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be fantastic. I love it. All right, so there's that one. We got that, and we got our May hanging, and then we have, oh, here's a tool kit. Yep, that's what they look like. And then we have whatever is in this box. I have decided that things that come in boxes like this, things that hang and stuff like that, I'm going to really focus on getting some done for a craft sale that I'm doing in the fall. I think they'll be great sellers. Oh, that was styrofoam. See, packed in here nicely. Styrofoam. I can't get the actual piece out of, oh, I remember what it is. I think things like this will sell well at a craft sale. Things that you can hang and decorate your home, like decor. I think they'll sell great. So we have a little round disc to put our piece into. Film on both sides. Take off the film. It will be clear underneath. There's a film on the back of this as well. Peel off this film, okay, and it'll be nice and clear. And he's broken. Yep, he's broken. You guys, I'm telling you. Is the piece even in here? No. Little tip of his leaf is broken. Okay, well, there's that. So we can't finish off our leaf here. I don't know. He won't be sellable because he's not perfect. I'm batting 1,000 today. My last unboxing had an issue too. Anyhow, he'll go in a little stand like this and he'll stand up. It's a big piece to stand, but I like him. So he's a gnome with cherries. Love cherries. I have a bag of cherries in the refrigerator right now. I love my cherries. Isn't it cute though? He's just sitting there. He's got a big old cherry. You got to remember, gnomes are not very big. Okay, they're not very big. So the cherries would look huge to a gnome. Anyhow, it's so cute. Look at all the cherries and cherries. Love the hat. Unfortunate that my leaf is broken there. Lots of special drills. I see K, G, A, C. Oh, fun. He's just sitting on a log. Just sitting there on a log, just eating his cherries. Don't eat too many, little gnome. I'll just give you a little warning. Don't eat too many. Yep. Take my word. All right, let's look at our drills. I'll keep him. He's a little flawed, but he's perfect. I love him. He's super cute. Okay, we have a lot of red rhinestones and some peachy color, a little bit of brown. Oh yeah, for the log. These are clear, but they're not clear. They're almost like a little smoky gray. Green, slightly pink tone for those. Another pink tone. Pretty teal. Light yellow. Okay, here comes the specials. Some small red, like clear looking ones. A little bit bigger and a little bit bigger. Okay, we got 3 sizes of those. Are we surprised? No, we're making cherries, right? What is this? Okay, here we have some gold round faceted. We have 1 flower. One little flower. Don't know where that goes, but we have 1 of them. We have some pink hearts. Oh, we have a little bit of sliver action here. Now, usually slivers are a teardrop, where these are more of an oval, but they're still the same size as the itty bitty slivers. Probably going to make some leaves or something with that. And then we have green. faceted marquee. So green and red, cherries and leaves, right? Where's that heart go? Or the flower? That one, oh, it's going to go right there, probably in the center of that. No, or maybe right here. Maybe it's the F. I don't know. We'll find out when we work on it. Anyhow, super cute. So that's what I got from, where did I get this from again? Diamond Art Decor. I wanted to say the other one. I wanted to say DIY Choose. I'm not used to Diamond Art Decor yet. They haven't been Diamond Art Decor for that long. So there's our cute little gnome. And the beautiful star with all those special drills. And then another monthly. I love that. I love that. That is so pretty. So that's our selection for the day. Everything's so bright and colorful and sparkly. I love it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Come back, see more videos. It really helps a creator out. So I appreciate it greatly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.